Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this session we're going through the installation of Google Earth. Overall the installation is very simple. All you have to do is to go to this website or simply type Google Earth inside of the Google search engine and it should come up as the very first page. Now once you come on this page you can simply click on Google Earth Pro on desktop, or you can also scroll down to the bottom and click on Download Earth Pro on desktop. This pop-up page will appear where you would have to agree to the terms and conditions. One thing to note is that it says right now that you're downloading version 7.3, but in some cases you may need to download and install an earlier version of Google Earth Pro. This is, for example, in cases where you may be using CAD plugins that integrate with Google Earth, and some of those are not necessarily going to work with the latest version. So in those cases, you may have to download an earlier version. To do that, you would then go to this page where it says Direct Installer page. You're going to click on that and it's going to bring you to this page. Simply expand the tab where it says Download a Google Earth Pro Direct Installer. And then you're going to find all of the earlier versions of Google Earth Pro here for the different platforms. Now to install the latest version, simply click on Accept and Download. This is going to download the installer on your computer to the default download location that your browser is set to. So here I have the installer downloaded on my desktop. I'm going to double click on that. And now it's going to start downloading all of the data that it needs to proceed with the installation. Now the installation was completed, so I'm just going to click on Close. And with that done, you should now see a shortcut to Google Earth Pro on your desktop. Simply double click on that to open it. Thank you for watching. I hope the video was useful and I'm looking forward to delve into the next sessions.